Look at that kitty. That's a kitty. He's beautiful. It's a beautiful kitty. You ready for me to go to the next one? Oh, look at that horsey. He's laying out with his own. Look at those puppies. That's so interesting.
Today we're in downtown LA at a very different type of auction.
Look at that.
We won't be looking at units. We'll be looking at vaults.
It's a bull. And look at that little boy. His butt is showing. I know, his butt is showing.
Vaults belong to the same owner. We're gonna sell them off one at a time.
We brought the box truck today because if you play your cards right, you could really rack up the volume of these vault auctions. We went to one of these a year ago. You remember that? Vaguely.
Kangaroo?
So I need to be real careful where I'm going to put my money.
Kangaroo?
I can't help but to peek in here. It's open. I scored big last time at a vault auction, so I'm looking to repeat. Now let's hope they're actually
Owie.
books.
Barry, I think you got a gold mine here.
A leopard and a puppy.
Kidding, he's not here.
What is that bird trying to do? It's trying to do some Jägermeister. Why would a bird do Jägermeister? Look at this! Baby dog. Oh. I know.